Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man-eater, man-eater. Hey, y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scarlett Rose. For those that are new, welcome. For those that have been joining me from the very beginning, thank you so much for helping me grow my channel. I have another delicious, you must try cocktail. This is a orange creamsicle cocktail recipe. These are the ingredients I'm going to be sharing with you all. I am going to be using some orange juice, some half and half, some Smirnoff vanilla vodka, some triple sec liqueur, yummy yum, and we're going to use some whipped topping at the top for garnishment, and some oranges for garnishment. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe. I'm so happy you all join me. Let's get busy. Let's get busy. Oh, here she comes. Hey, as you can tell, I'm a big Hall Oates fan. Love it.
Gather all your ingredients and use a cocktail shaker filled with ice and pour your vanilla vodka and your triple sec, your half and half, and your orange juice. This is going to be a delicious orange creamsicle cocktail recipe that you must try, and I know your friends and family will love it. Pour 1.5 ounces of vanilla or whipped cream vodka. This delicious recipe is a great use for vanilla vodka. Now let's pour 1/2 ounce of triple sec into your cocktail shaker. Then add 1 ounce of half and half. Add 1 ounce of orange juice. Now shake all of your ingredients very well. Did you know that the orange creamsicle is a liquid version of the popular frozen treat, complete with a creamy orange flavor? Quick tip, if you're using a tall glass, use 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. If you're using a small, just use 1. Now let's top off our delicious orange creamsicle cocktail with some whipped topping for garnishment and some sliced oranges. This is optional.
All right, you guys, this concludes my orange creamsicle cocktail recipe. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, don't forget to hit that like, that comment, and that subscribe button. Please share my page with others that you know will enjoy great content. Please stay blessed, kind, and connected. Happy holidays and happy birthday to me. To all the May birthdays, happy birthday. Tastes delicious. See you all next time. Bye.